Good morning, students. Next compound, potassium permanganate, KMnO4. Potassium permanganate is prepared from pyrolusite, that is MnO2 ore. The preparation involves in the following step. Two steps are given here. In first step, conversion of MnO2 to potassium manganate. In second step, oxidation of potassium manganate to potassium permanganate. So, preparation of potassium permanganate contains two steps. First one, ore pyrolusite converted into potassium manganate. Second, potassium manganate is converted into potassium permanganate. See the first step. Powdered ore is fused with, here that ore is pyrolusite, that is MnO2. This is the ore. Powdered ore is fused with KOH, potassium hydroxide, in presence of air or oxidizing agent like KNO3 or KClO3. A green colored potassium manganate is formed, that is K2MnO4 is formed. Second step, oxidations of potassium manganate to potassium permanganate. Equation is not given. Potassium manganate, that is K2MnO4, can be oxidized in two ways, either by chemical oxidation and electrolytic oxidation. First one is chemical oxidation. In this method, potassium manganate, that is MnO4 2 minus, is treated with ozone, that is O3, or chlorine. So, potassium manganate is treated with either ozone or chlorine to get potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4. MnO4 minus, that is called as manganate ion. Or by using electrolytic oxidation, we can convert potassium manganate to potassium permanganate. In this method, aqueous solution of potassium manganate is electrolyzed in presence of little alkali. So, this is potassium manganate K2MnO4. If it is ionized, means K plus and remaining minus. So, 2K plus MnO4 2 minus, and water is ionized, means it will give H plus and OH minus. So, manganate ions are converted into permanganate ion at anode. So, MnO4 2 minus is converted to MnO4 minus. The MnO4 2 minus color is green and MnO4 minus color is purple. So, here green is converted into purple. Hydrogen is liberated at the cathode. So, because H plus gaining that electron and converted into H2. So, the purple color solution is concentrated by evaporations and forms crystals of potassium permanganate on cooling. Aqueous solution of potassium permanganate. Potassium manganate means K2MnO4. Aqueous solutions means water. So, water is split into H plus and OH minus. Potassium manganate means it is split into K plus and MnO4 2 minus. So, this is the aqueous solution of potassium manganate. Is electrolyzed means passing current, it will separate into ions in presence of little alkali. Alkali means already you know, that is base. During these reactions, manganate ion are converted into permanganate ion. Manganate ion is converted into permanganate ion. That is, green color is changed into purple color. So, only purple color solution is obtained. So, this permanganate is obtained at the anode and hydrogen gas is liberated at the cathode. Because at the anode usually oxidation only takes place. Oxidation means losing electron. So, manganate ion losing electron and converted into permanganate ion. Hydrogen gas is liberated at the cathode because reduction only takes place at the cathode. Reduction means what? Gaining electron. Here that H plus gained electron and converted into H2. So only hydrogen gas is liberated at the cathode. So the purple color solution is concentrated by evaporation and forms crystals of potassium permanganate on cooling. Potassium permanganate on cooling. It forms crystals of potassium permanganate. So my dear students, we learn preparation of potassium permanganate. Very simple. It contains two steps. In first step, pyrolusite MnO2 is converted into potassium manganate. In second step, potassium manganate is converted into potassium permanganate. Potassium manganate is converted into potassium permanganate by two ways. One is chemical oxidation, second one electrolytic oxidation. Either chemical oxidation or electrolytic oxidation, we can choose any one path. First one, chemical oxidation. In chemical oxidation, either ozone or chlorine. Potassium manganate is treated with either ozone or chlorine. It is converted into manganate ion, potassium permanganate ion. That is potassium permanganate or permanganate ion. Second, electrolytic oxidation. Here electrolysis takes place. Aqueous solution of potassium permanganate. Aqueous solution of potassium manganate is electrolyzed in presence of little alkali. Aqueous means water. Potassium manganate means K2MnO4. So both are electrolyzed means on passing current it is separated into plus and minus. So K2MnO4 is separated into K plus and MnO4 2 minus. Like that aqueous, that is water, is split into H plus and OH minus. Here at the cathode hydrogen gas is liberated, at anode permanganate ion is liberated, because at anode usually oxidation only takes place. Oxidation means losing electron. Potassium manganate losing electron and converted into potassium permanganate. So only at anode potassium permanganate, that is permanganate ion, is liberated. And at cathode hydrogen gas is liberated, because usually at cathode reduction only takes place. Reduction means gaining electron. Here H plus gaining electron and converted into H2. So only hydrogen gas liberated at cathode. The purple color solution is concentrated by evaporations and forms crystals of potassium permanganate on cooling. So this is the preparations of potassium permanganate. Next one, physical properties. Potassium permanganate exists in the form of dark purple color crystal which melts at 513 Kelvin. Color is given. Dark purple crystals. Melting point is given. 513 Kelvin. Solubility is given. Sparingly soluble in cold water but fairly soluble in hot water. Next, structure of permanganate ion is given. Permanganate ion means MnO4 minus, that is Mn is attached with 4 oxygen with one single negative charge. So permanganate ion has a tetrahedral geometry in which the central Mn7 plus ion is sp3 hybridized, because sp3 hybridization only having tetrahedral geometry. So structure of permanganate ion is over. Next one, chemical properties of permanganate ion. In chemical properties, action of heat is given. When heated, potassium permanganate decomposes to form potassium manganate and manganese dioxide. Potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4, decompose means what? Splitting. Decomposes means splitting. So it is splitted into potassium manganate and manganese dioxide and molecular oxygen. Second reaction, action of concentrated sulfuric acids. On treating with cold concentrated sulfuric acid, it decomposed to form manganese heptoxide, which subsequently decomposes explosively. On treating with cold concentrated sulfuric acid, it decomposes to form manganese heptoxide, which subsequently decomposes explosively. That is, that Mn2O7, it splitted into MnO2 and O2. But with concentrated hot sulfuric acid, potassium permanganate gives MnSO4, manganese sulfate. So, in action of concentrated sulfuric acid, two types of reactions were given, that is, potassium permanganate react with cold sulfuric acid. In another reaction, potassium permanganate react with concentrated sulfuric acid. In cold concentrated sulfuric acid, potassium permanganate gives manganese heptoxide and subsequently decomposes explosively. That is, again it is decomposed into MnO2 and O2. But with concentrated sulfuric acid, it produces MnSO4, manganese sulfate. Action of concentrated sulfuric acid over. Next one, oxidizing property. Potassium permanganate is a strong oxidizing agent. Its oxidizing action differs in the different reaction medium. So, three reaction medium given: in neutral medium, in alkaline medium, in acidic medium. So, with this lesson over. After that, one small topic is that. So, mainly with this topic, this reaction almost over. So, oxidizing property, potassium permanganate act as a strong oxidizing agent. Its oxidizing action differs in the different reaction medium. First, we are going to concentrate only in neutral medium. In neutral medium, it is reduced to MnO2. See this reaction, permanganate ion MnO4 minus react with water and with electron, it is converted into MnO2 plus 4OH minus. Potassium permanganate is a strong oxidizing agent. That means oxidizing agent means what? It gains electron. So here it gains 3 electron and converted into MnO2. If you know how to find out the charge of Mn means, we can easily understood. Here oxidation takes place. Here the oxidation number of Mn is plus 7. Here the oxidation number of Mn is plus 4. So here charge is reduced. So it acts as an oxidizing agent. For oxidation, charge is increased. For oxidizing agent, charge is decreased. Here charge is decreased. So here permanganate ion act as an oxidizing agent. See the second example. It oxidizes H2S2. It oxidizes H2S to S. MnO4 minus. MnO4 minus. That is permanganate ion. Is converted into MnO2. Here also the charge is converted into plus 7 to plus 4 only. Charge is decreased only. So here it acts as an oxidizing agent. Here sulfur is oxidized. See the third reaction, it oxidizes thiosulfate into sulfate. This is thiosulfate. Thiosulfate into sulfate. Oxidation takes place. For this oxidation, who is responsible here? Permanganate ion only. So it acts as an oxidizing agent. So in neutral medium, over. So next one, in alkaline medium. Alkaline means base. So in presence of base. So in presence of alkali metal hydroxide, the permanganate ion is converted into manganate. So see here first reaction, MnO4 minus, that is permanganate ion gaining electron. So oxidation means losing electron, oxidizing agent means gaining electron. Gaining electron and converted into MnO4 2 minus. Because 2 minus means 2 electron excess. This manganate is further reduced to MnO2 by some reducing agent. So overall reaction can be written as this MnO4 minus gains electron and converted into MnO2. This reaction is similar as that for the neutral medium, because in neutral medium also oxidation takes place. There thiosulfate is converted into sulfate. There also we got some OH minus. There also MnO2 is obtained as a product with OH minus. Here also MnO2 is obtained and OH minus also obtained. So this reaction is similar to neutral medium. And one more example is given, that is Bayes reagent. Cold dilute alkaline KMnO4 is known as Bayes reagent. Very important. Cold dilute alkaline KMnO4. Dilute alkaline KMnO4 is known as Bayes reagent. It is used to oxidize alkene to diol. For example, ethylene can be converted into ethylene glycol, and this reaction is used as a test for unsaturation. Unsaturation means what? Double bond or triple bond. In acidic medium, that is in presence of acid, that is here sulfuric acid, potassium permanganate, that is MnO4 minus, act as a very strong oxidizing agent. That means it gaining electron. Here it acts as a strong oxidizing agent, so only it gains 5 electron and it is converted into Mn2 plus. The oxidizing nature of potassium permanganate in acidic medium is illustrated with following examples. So many examples are given here. It oxidizes ferrous salt to ferric salt. Ferrous means Fe2 plus, ferric means Fe3 plus. It oxidizes ferrous salt to ferric salt. So here oxidation takes place. Who is responsible for this oxidation? Permanganate ion. It oxidizes iodide ion to iodine. Here also oxidation takes place. The reason is potassium permanganate. Here permanganate ion. Third example, oxalic acid, that is here oxalate is given to carbon dioxide. Oxidation takes place because of permanganate ion. It oxidizes sulfide ion to sulfur. For this oxidation, permanganate ion is used as an oxidizing agent. It oxidizes nitrite ion to nitrate ion. The reason is permanganate ion. It oxidizes alcohol to aldehyde. So this is alcohol. Alcohol oxidize means it will convert it into aldehyde. For this oxidation, potassium permanganate only used as an oxidizing agent. It oxidizes sulfate ion SO3 2 minus to sulfate ion SO4 2 minus. The reason for this oxidation is permanganate ion only. It acts as an oxidizing agent. So many examples are given for this oxidizing property. Uses of potassium permanganate is given. First one, it is used as a strong oxidizing agent. Already we know, we learned so many examples. It is used for the treatment of various skin infection and fungal infections of the foot. It is used in the water treatment industry to remove iron and hydrogen sulfide from well water. So, in water treatment industries it is used to remove iron and hydrogen sulfide, and it is used as a Bayes reagent, cold dilute alkaline potassium permanganate, for detecting unsaturation in organic compound, and it is used in the quantitative analysis for the estimations of ferrous salt, oxalate, hydrogen peroxide and iodide. For estimation of these ion it is used in quantitative analysis. So with this topic this lesson over. Remaining we will continue in our next video. Thank you.